Hello everyone, my name is Mark, I'm your driver, and this evening Alfa Romeo and Maserati of London have ever so graciously hosted a car meet, which is awesome, and that is over now. It concluded with a lovely cruise. Tuck it in, get some neutral rotation. Oh god, it's fucking overexposed. Which, again, has concluded. And now we are here for the latter part of the evening, and that is somewhere that time slips might be just a little bit important. And I think that that's pretty cool. I think you guys are gonna have a lot of fun if you come along. So please keep watching this video and we're gonna see what 3.8 liters of Korean fury can unleash on these unsuspecting other vehicles. Let's go. This is pretty cool. I've just paid to run it. So if I run it, I run it. If I don't, I don't. I would like to park with the rest of the people in this group. However, they've kind of parked in a spot that doesn't have a ton of room for the Palisade. So I would very much like to perhaps reverse. Alrighty, I have just gone through the gates and paid. We've got test and tune card here, which I need to give to the people when I get to the front of the staging lanes. Of course. So unfortunately, I do not have a parking spot next to anyone else that I drove with, which is fine. I'm used to it when I'm in a Palisade. They're gonna pay. Alrighty, I have paid my money, I have parked, and I have my test and tune card. So this test and tune card, I apparently go up the staging lanes, and when I get to the front, I give this all filled out to the people, and they will announce what it is I am driving. And if anyone I know is watching, I have no idea whose car this is. None whatsoever. What I'm gonna do now is probably pop the hood at some point, let the air kind of cool off as much as it can. It's 28 degrees and super humid out, so we're probably a little down on power, just given that the air is not terribly dense today. I mean, it feels dense with the humidity, but that's not the kind of dense we want. That's dense with water, not air. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go see what the rest of the guys are doing, and I'll see you in a bit, I guess. Alrighty, we are lining up against a Ram 1500, so let's see how this goes. A little nervous, gonna get up here to the pre-stage. Pre-stage. Alright, let's get him. Oh, we got him off the jump. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, he just had the top end. He just had the top end. Oh, man. That's wild. Had him for a bit. Had him for a bit. That's not bad. That's not bad! Yo! Atta B Pally. That's not bad. I want to see what it ran. That was wild. I got him so good on the launch. I just got to make sure I didn't red light that bad boy. Oh! We got him off the jump. I just got to make sure that I didn't red light or anything. I think he started spinning his tires. He's only in two-wheel drive. So I think that's why he got me at the top end, is two-wheel drive. He's got that drivetrain efficiency and a lot more power. That's wild. This is 291 horsepower, 262 pound-feet of torque. That Hemi has so much more. This should not be as quick as it is. That is fantastic. Oh, I am so proud of you, Pally. Oh my word. I am so proud of you. I don't know if you guys are able to see what is beside me, but that is an Acura. It is so hot in this car without air conditioning. I fear I may die before I start. The plus side is, however, I am racing an Acura, which is more this car's speed. So let's see if we, with all-wheel drive and 3.8 liters of displacement, can get him. All right, let's get it staged up. Got him on the tree. Oh, Gapplebees, baby, Gapplebees. We are trapping at, I think, just shy of 90 miles an hour. So we're getting to, I think, 87 it was on the last card. But I'm seeing about 140 on the dash as I kind of cross the line there. So we'll see. I think that the Palisade is pretty consistent given that it is naturally aspirated. So we'll see what the time is on the way back. And as far as, the car goes, I'm probably hotter than it is. The temperature gauge hasn't moved an inch. I've never seen this temp gauge move. Yeah, no, sport mode with traction stability off, no AC, appears to be working in my favor. We've got a dove under our belts. Let's go, Pally. Oh, she rips, baby, she rips. I am so proud of this car. Thank you. Ooh, that's actually not bad. That's not bad. 1597, baby. Read it and weep. 1597 is a little bit off of what we're going for. I believe the factory time for this car is 15.3. I was hoping for maybe a 14.9. However, it's incredibly hot and humid out. It's 27 degrees and looks like it's about to torrential downpour with like a tropical storm. So this is probably as Florida weather as you can get for Ontario. Yeah, the humidity is just sticky and disgusting. Like the air feels dense, but with water instead of air that can be burned, and that was just lightning. So we're gonna try to maybe get another pass in. You can go. Okay, or I shall go. Yeah, no, Palisade's working great. I think it spun a little bit. But other than that, she ran faster that time, and we are crushing it in our reaction time. What are we at? Reaction time, it's not bad. It's better than last time. Oh no, it's the cop car. I wanted to race the cop car. I just want to take a moment to apologize for the abrupt cut that you've just experienced. That is because, as I'm sure you can hear and see, it is raining, which means that we were rained out and the track had to unfortunately close. But we did get 2 runs in, and I think that they both went exceptionally well. We absolutely destroyed that Ram 1500 off the line. And he really only had his top end, but that is because he is, I would imagine, 2-wheel drive and has significantly more power than a Palisade. So I'm not upset in the slightest about that. These things happen. You win some, you lose some. We did win one by a huge margin against that Acura. And other than that, it was an awesome night. No issues here on the Palisade side. It's, stupidly hot inside because the AC was off, and outside because it's 9:30 in the evening and raining and it's still 24 out. At the time of running, it was around 28 or 30 degrees. And if I had to pinpoint the humidex, it would probably be 1,000. So I'm not terribly worried about the Palisade's performance. It did really well in the heat and the humidity. I'm super proud of it. It's only really a fraction of a second off of its factory claimed times, which were almost certainly achieved under perfect conditions, and today just wasn't that. So I'm not upset about that at all. I think the Palisade did flawlessly, and I think that's it. I think that's all there is to this video. The drive was great, the drag strip was a fantastic atmosphere, and Palisade clocks the quarter mile faster than a patrol car. So who's laughing now?